This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the margins in a sheet in Google Sheets. If you want to change the margins in Google Sheets, this is going to work a little differently than how you would do it in Google Docs. In Google Docs, you would have to click File, and then there would be something called Page Settings in the File menu. But in Slides, you have to change the margins through the Print settings. So click on File, then select Print. Once you do that, this Print preview will open and it will give you some options on the right side of the screen. In the middle of this bar on the right, you will see Margins, and you can choose to keep your margins normal or change it to what Google believes to be narrow or wide margins. However, if you want to set specific margins, you can select Custom Numbers. When you do that, you will see these little boxes appear on 4 sides of your page where you are able to change the margins. So if I want my top to be 1/2 of an inch, I can just type that in. And now the top margin is 0.5%. And you can repeat that on the left, the right, and the bottom. Once you are done with that, then you can cancel and it will be saved, or you can go ahead and print it from there by clicking Next. So this video shows you how to change your margins in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel to view more helpful videos in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.